Prime Minister Narendra Modi has confirmed that he will attend the upcoming ASEAN-India summit in Kuala Lumpur virtually, officially ruling out a one-on-one meeting with former US President Donald Trump. The decision comes amid heightened uncertainty surrounding ongoing India-US trade negotiations. The virtual attendance reflects both strategic and symbolic choices. According to official sources, Modi's decision was influenced by domestic priorities during the festive season and by the lack of concrete progress in reducing US tariffs on Indian goods, some of which now face rates as high as 50% following Washington's new trade measures earlier this year. The summit, scheduled from October 26 to 28, brings together ASEAN's 10-member nations alongside key global partners including the United States, Japan, and China. While both New Delhi and Washington have maintained that their relations remain strong and constructive, insiders suggest major disagreements persist over energy imports from Russia and agricultural trade access. By opting for a virtual presence, Modi appears to be maintaining diplomatic flexibility, signaling India's intent to keep negotiations open without committing to a premature political alignment. Analysts believe this move allows India to project autonomy in its foreign policy, balancing relations between global powers while safeguarding its economic interests. For Washington, however, the absence of a Modi-Trump meeting highlights the challenges in forging a new trade framework with one of the world's fastest-growing economies. Observers say both sides will need to move beyond tariff disputes and address broader issues of technology sharing, supply chain security, and strategic trust.